If you want to create AI wallpaper on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings, then choose personalize, and over here select the current wallpaper in order to find the wallpaper settings, and then choose image studio. Now in order to use AI to create wallpaper, you need to actually have Moto account, but if you go over here then you have the option to create an account or sign in, and you can use Google account to quickly set up the account. Now once that is done, you need to press create an image. Over here we have a prompt that we can use in order to decide what should be in this wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna write apples in space. There we go. Besides that, we have the choice of aspect ratio. I think 9:16 is the choice. And then we also have styles that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna use sci-fi style just in this case. And then once we are ready, press generate image. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the AI create images for us. And there we go, we have some results. You can scroll through different examples. You can also redo if you are looking for something different. So let's say if I want to use this image as a wallpaper, I need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then choose set as wallpaper. Then over here we can press set wallpaper in the top right corner, and then we can choose to set it on home screen, lock screen, or both. So I'm gonna set it up for both the home screen and lock screen. And there we go, we have our AI wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.